Monday.com, easy to use and 100% scalable.
But before we start, please support us by pressing like and subscribe buttons. Also turn on the bell notification to get the latest updates. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you.
Monday.com is a cloud-based work operating system that provides a platform for teams to manage their work, collaborate, and track projects. It is designed to help teams streamline their workflows, improve communication, and increase overall productivity. Monday.com offers a visual and customizable interface where users can create boards to manage various tasks and projects. These boards can be customized to fit different project management styles and methodologies, such as Kanban, Gantt charts, and more. The platform allows users to create tasks, assign responsibilities, set deadlines, and track progress. Please note that there may have been updates or changes to Monday.com since my last knowledge update, so it's a good idea to visit their official website or contact them directly for the latest and most accurate information. Monday.com offers several benefits for teams and organizations looking to streamline their work processes and enhance collaboration. Keep in mind that updates or changes may have occurred since then, so it's recommended to check the latest features and offerings on their official website. Here are some potential benefits. 1. Workflow customization. Monday.com allows you to create customizable boards that suit your team's workflow. You can choose from different views, such as Kanban boards, Gantt charts, and more, to visualize and manage tasks in a way that fits your team's needs. 2. Collaboration. The platform provides a centralized space for team collaboration. Team members can communicate, share files, and update project statuses within the platform, reducing the need for scattered communication through various channels. 3. Task management. Monday.com helps in organizing tasks, assigning responsibilities, setting deadlines, and tracking progress. This can lead to improved task visibility and accountability. 4. Integration. The platform integrates with various third-party tools and services, allowing you to connect Monday.com with other applications your team uses. This integration can enhance overall productivity and efficiency. 5. Automation. Monday.com supports automation features that can help automate repetitive tasks, saving time and reducing the risk of manual errors. Automation can also ensure that workflows are consistent and follow predefined rules. 6. Analytics and reporting. The platform may offer analytics and reporting features, allowing you to track and analyze team performance, project progress, and other relevant metrics. This can be valuable for making data-driven decisions. 7. Scalability. Monday.com is designed to scale with your team as it grows. Whether you're a small team or a large enterprise, the platform aims to provide flexibility to accommodate different organizational sizes and structures. 8. Mobile accessibility. Many project management tools, including Monday.com, offer mobile applications. This allows team members to access and manage tasks on the go, promoting flexibility and responsiveness. To get the most accurate and up-to-date information on the benefits of Monday.com, I recommend checking their official website or contacting their support team for the latest details. To start using Monday.com, you can follow these general steps. Keep in mind that specific details might have changed, so it's a good idea to check the latest information on the official Monday.com website. 1. Visit the Monday.com website. Go to the official Monday.com website, www.monday.com. 2. Sign up. Click on the Sign Up or Start Free Trial button. You'll likely be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Some platforms might offer single sign-on (SSO) options or the ability to sign up using existing credentials. 3. Create your account. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. You might be asked to provide some basic information about your team or organization. 4. Explore the platform. Once your account is set up, explore the platform to get familiar with its features. You'll typically see a dashboard where you can create new boards, view existing ones, and manage your tasks. 5. Create your first board. Boards in Monday.com are where you organize your work. Create your first board based on your preferred workflow. You can choose from different templates or create a custom board. 6. Add tasks. Populate your board with tasks. Define the tasks, assign responsibilities, set due dates, and add any necessary details. 7. Customize views. Monday.com offers various views such as Kanban, Gantt charts, and more. Customize your board's view to best suit your project management style. 8. Invite team members. Collaborate with your team by inviting members to join your workspace. Monday.com usually allows you to add team members by email. 9. Explore integrations. Check if there are any integrations with third-party tools or services that your team uses. Integrations can enhance the functionality of Monday.com by connecting it with other applications. 10. Training and support. Take advantage of any training resources or documentation provided by Monday.com. Most platforms offer tutorials, guides, and customer support to help users get started. 11. Start using it. Begin using Monday.com for your team's project management. Encourage your team members to log in, view tasks, update statuses, and collaborate within the platform. Remember that the specifics may vary based on updates or changes made to the platform, so refer to the official Monday.com documentation or support resources for the most accurate and current information. The advantages of Monday.com compared to similar websites or project management tools can vary based on specific needs, preferences, and the features offered by each platform. Here are some potential advantages of Monday.com. 1. Flexibility in workflows. Monday.com is known for its flexibility in adapting to different workflows and project management styles. Users can choose from various views, Kanban, Gantt charts, etc., and customize boards according to their specific needs. 2. Visual and intuitive interface. The platform provides a visually appealing and intuitive interface, making it easy for users to understand and navigate. The drag-and-drop functionality and color-coded boards contribute to a user-friendly experience. 3. Extensive template library. Monday.com offers a rich library of templates for different use cases, including project management, marketing, human resources, and more. Users can start with a template and customize it to fit their requirements. 4. Automation features. Monday.com supports automation features, allowing users to streamline repetitive tasks and workflows. Automation can help in reducing manual efforts, ensuring consistency, and improving overall efficiency. 5. Collaboration and communication. The platform emphasizes collaboration with features like comments, file sharing, and real-time updates. Communication within the platform helps teams stay informed and connected, reducing the need for external communication tools. 6. Mobile accessibility. Monday.com provides mobile applications for both iOS and Android, allowing users to access and manage tasks on the go. This mobile accessibility promotes flexibility and responsiveness. 7. Integration capabilities. Monday.com integrates with a variety of third-party tools and services, allowing users to connect the platform with other applications their team uses. This integration capability enhances overall productivity and workflow efficiency. 8. Scalability. Monday.com is designed to scale with teams as they grow. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, the platform aims to provide flexibility and scalability to accommodate different organizational sizes. 9. Customer support and resources. Monday.com offers customer support and a range of resources, including tutorials, webinars, and documentation. Having access to robust support can be beneficial for users seeking assistance with the platform.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this.